What's going on, YouTube? I'm Rob,
And this is Nick.
and we are Coffee and Crypto. We got a good one for you today, but before we jump into it, please hit that like button on this video and subscribe to the channel. So today we're going to be going over the top 5 cryptocurrencies you may want to invest in 2022. So the reason why we say now in 2022 is because we are in a market dip, and I think we could both agree that we're in a bear market at this point.
Yeah, it definitely feels like a bear market. There's a lot of fear out there, a lot of FUD, a lot of uncertainty over what's going to happen in the next few months. So people may be scared, but it can also be a time of opportunity. Most of the wealth, at least that I created, if you want to be a crypto millionaire, like the time to accumulate your biggest bags of crypto is in the bear market. So we're here to talk today about the top 5 cryptos that we see that we're actually investing in this bear market and accumulating. So when the next bull cycle rolls around, we'll be able to profit. And we're sharing these with you so you guys can hop on the crypto millionaire train as well.
That's right. And just to comment on that, I know we throw around that term crypto millionaire, but that's actually a true story. You can see that in one of our previous videos, how Nick actually became a crypto millionaire. I know a lot of other people on the internet and on YouTube and social media try and flex on you like they are a crypto millionaire, but they're actually just all hype and all talk. But Nick actually achieved it by doing what we're about to share with you in this video. And in market conditions like this, when things are low and in a dip, it can be scary to invest in because things are just so uncertain. You don't know if it's going to keep going lower. That's also why we are big on dollar cost averaging. But anyway, let's get into it, Nick.
Yeah, let's get started. And we're going to take a look at CoinMarketCap here. And the first thing that I'm going to want to say is you need to stay diversified when you're accumulating these coins. The 5 coins that we're going to be talking about are across 5 different crypto niches. So the first one that I want to talk about in the crypto niche that it's in is just the digital gold. It's Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been around since 2009. It was the first cryptocurrency, and that is why it still has so much hype and attention and investment around it, because it's the most just oldest network. It's the most decentralized. It's got the most amount of just
It's tried and true.
tried and true.
Yeah, it's the OG crypto.
It is the OG. So Bitcoin, you can never forget about Bitcoin because there's just so many people. That's like the name brand of crypto.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere either.
And it's in the niche of digital gold. And right now, the circulating supply is 19. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap here, man, we're at a market cap of $500 million. And there's people out there saying they can go to $2 or $3 trillion, and Bitcoin can run up to $250,000 per coin. Right now, we're sitting at what, 29,600. I think now's a great time to jump in and start accumulating some of this Bitcoin and get some digital gold in your wallet.
Yeah, I agree. Like I said, I don't think it's going anywhere. It's only going to continue to grow in adoption, and it leads the market in general. So I don't see it going anywhere. It's going to continue to be adopted, and it's limited in supply. So that's good. Bitcoin, always good to have that in your portfolio. All right, Nick, let's jump into the second one.
All right, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap again. And scrolling down, we're still in the top 100. We want to find another crypto that is in basically the top 100 that we can diversify ourselves out into a different niche in the market. We already talked about Bitcoin, which its niche is just a digital gold. But take a look at number 32 here, VeChain. This has been a favorite of mine that I have been invested in for over 3 years. Right now, we're at 3 cents, and this thing peaked out at 28 cents just last year. So we've come down almost 90%. That is standard in coming down in bear markets to definitely start accumulating if something's dropped 90%, especially if it's a project that you believe in.
All right, so why is VeChain a good pick? Why do you like VeChain?
I like VeChain because, number one, they have large corporations like Walmart China, DNVGL. They've got BMW backing them and also using their product right now. They're in the supply chain space. They're using blockchain to verify products.
Yeah, supply chain and logistics is not going anywhere. And
it's a great, and they are the best in that niche right now. They're number 32 in terms of market cap. I don't think they're going anywhere.
They were around in the last bear market, right?
Yeah, they have. They've survived a couple bear markets already. So yeah, we think they're around to stay the next bull cycle.
Yeah,
at least
so it's
I see VeChain going up to 50 cents to $1 at least.
It's a company with real utility real world use case. It's already been through one bear market. It's now in its second bear market.
Yeah.
And
All
it's just
right. Yeah.
continuing to grow.
So we've gone through Bitcoin and VeChain. Rob, do you have any that you want to share with us?
Yeah, definitely. So one project I like is called BAT, or Basic Attention Token. And the reason why I like that is because it's also diversified, compared to what the other ones we're talking about. It's a privacy web browser, so it's competing with the likes of Google Chrome, Safari. So it's a browser where your privacy is yours. You own your privacy, and the company is not selling your data and selling your privacy. And the way most of these companies, like social media, browsers, the way they make money is off of ad revenue and by selling your data to companies for advertising. With Basic Attention Token and the Brave browser, you can actually be selective if you want to view ads. And if you do, you actually get paid in crypto. So it's a pretty unique approach. And why don't we look at the chart and see where the price is now?
Yeah,
See
I'm
where
taking a look at it's ranked number 78. It's definitely still in the top 100, trading at 37 cents right now. I think it peaked out over. Let's take a look at the. Yeah, it was over $1.50 at the peak of the bull cycle here.
Yeah, so this project's not going anywhere. It's continuing to grow, add tons of utility,
And it survived the last bear market as well.
survived the last bear market, and it's got a lot of big investment behind it. I know the Grayscale Trust is a basic attention token trust, so allows individuals to invest in it.
Yeah, so like people that have traditional brokerage accounts can even invest in it because the Grayscale Trust allows you to use their investment vehicle that tracks the price of basic attention token and several other cryptos as well.
Yeah. Plus, it's a strong project. I use the Brave browser. I like it. And I think they're going to continue to grow and be a company that's going to be around for a long time.
All right. So what's the next one you got, Rob?
The next one I like is another one that's diversified in a different niche. This one is HNT, or Helium. We've talked about it before on this channel, but essentially it's a decentralized version of telecommunications network. And the reason why I like it is because users can participate in the network by buying miners or hotspots, setting them up, and providing coverage to the network. So by you providing coverage, you receive mining rewards. So you're incentivized to build a network, and they're also building their network to service the Internet of Things. They're also expanding out to 5G and other frequencies. But it's a pretty cool project. We actually just set up a miner here. We'll throw up a photo of that for them to see. But yeah, it's one that you get rewarded in. You earn money by mining, and you build a network. So it also has a lot of money behind it, a lot of investment money.
We can take a look at where they are ranked as well. Helium is ranked number 53 right now, trading at $8.55. Market cap around $1 billion. So it's a relatively small market cap. If we take a look at where it was trading before, this thing peaked out over $50. And we've come down, what, 80%, over 80% already?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's definitely a great time to start accumulating this one, I think, especially if we, basically on what you said, I think Helium's got a great chance of surviving this bear cycle and running into the next bull run.
Yeah, I think it's just getting started. It's going to compete against the big telecommunications networks and it has a long way to go, but it's a strong project, a lot of money behind it, and a big user base of people mining and participating. So that was number 4. Nick, why don't you finish us off with the 5th crypto project that people may want to consider investing in 2022?
I am pulling it up right now on CoinMarketCap. None other. I'm actually wearing the shirt today.
Oh, there you go. And we got the pillow, right?
And we got the pillow.
There we go.
XRP. This one, I mean, I don't know if you guys have been following. It's a little bit controversial because you can't actually trade it right now in the United States because they have an SEC lawsuit that is pending. I actually think that's bullish because it had a major run in 2017 from like under half a penny to over $3. Right now, we're sitting at 38 cents, and it's got all of the FUD hanging over it right now from the SEC case. From everything that I've been seeing with the SEC case, it appears that they're either going to win or the SEC is going to settle with them. So once that kind of cloud has cleared over XRP, I believe it's got room to run. It never really had its chance to run in this bull cycle. We can also talk about that. Yes, XRP also is in a different niche than the other four that we've talked about so far in this.
Payments, right?
It's cross-border payments. It's
Yeah.
one of the fastest networks out there, cheapest networks. You can send money across borders anywhere in the world for less than a penny, and it's there within 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's huge.
It is very huge.
Two
So
questions on that though.
go
'cause
for it, Rob.
For some users that may not know our terminology, what is FUD?
What is FUD? That is an abbreviation for fear, uncertainty, and doubt.
That's
So
right. All right. So now you got the lingo down. And number two is if you cannot buy it in the US right now, how do you invest in it?
there is a couple exchanges that you can use. I believe you can get it on KuCoin and Bitrue.
Yeah.
Those are the two exchanges that you can use to acquire some XRP. If you want to accumulate it below 40 cents, I think it's a great time to start dollar cost averaging in.
Yeah. So those are non-US based exchanges, but you can use those exchanges in the US. And then if you don't feel comfortable using those exchanges, you could buy it on the exchange, transfer it out of the exchange, and keep it in your own wallet.
Yeah, just hold it in cold storage.
It's funny though, because most of the major exchanges list XRP, but you just can't buy it.
Yeah, it's so strange. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the next few months. Hopefully this case gets cleared up, and it's not only going to be good for XRP, it's going to be good for the entire crypto market once that case gets settled. Final thoughts. I guess I want to say that like all of the coins that we talk about on this channel, this is not investment advice. This is just kind of us kind of educating you. I'm not a financial advisor. Rob's not a financial advisor. So basically, we just want to tell you to do your own diligence, do your own research before investing any of your hard-earned money into these projects.
That's right. And then I'll add, with all these projects and investing in general, especially now given the current market conditions, bear market could go lower. We don't really know. You want a dollar cost average, right? So not just go in at once. But these strategies that we're talking about is how Nick became a crypto millionaire in the last bear market. Also, the fact that these are just 5 cryptos that we really like and we think have a lot of potential, but there are other projects out there. So you can do your own research and invest in other projects. These are just what we like. This is not our only list of 5 coins that we like and are looking at. This is just a very strong list of top 100 coins that have experienced bear markets in the past, and we think they're going to be around for a long time. So I think we'll wrap it up there.
All right, let's wrap it up.
All right.